Now we will discuss about left atrial hypertrophy. ECG criteria: P is wide more than 0.12 second. That is more than 0.12 second. That is more than 2.5 small squares. P may be notched bifid like M called P mitrally. It is better seen in lead 2, also in lead 1 and AVL. P in V1 is biphasic with prominent deep negative deflection, that is more than 1 millimeter depth, and a small initial positive deflection. What does P mitrally indicate? It indicates left atrial hypertrophy or enlargement. What are the causes of P mitrally? As follows: mitral stenosis, commonest; mitral regurgitation. What are the causes of left atrial hypertrophy? The causes are mitral valvular disease, that is MS or MR, secondary to left ventricular hypertrophy due to any cause, and ASD. Here is the ECG of a left atrial enlargement. Here we are seeing in lead 2 there is a wide notched P wave, and there is also in 3 there is wide notched P wave, and in V1 lead there is a biphasic P wave. More negative deflection is more than positive deflection. Now we will discuss about right atrial hypertrophy. ECG criteria: P is tall, more than 2.5 millimeter, that is more than 2.5 small squares. Better seen in lead 2, lead 3, AVF. And sometimes in V1, tall P is called P pulmonally. P in V1 is biphasic, tall initial positive deflection, that is more than 1.5 millimeter with a small negative deflection. Only positive deflection may be present. Here is the ECG of a right atrial hypertrophy. Here we are seeing that in lead 2 there is P is tall. P height of P is more than 2.5 small square. And now what does P pulmonally indicate? It indicates right atrial hypertrophy or enlargement. It is called P pulmonally because it is commonly seen in severe pulmonary disease. Now, what are the causes of P pulmonally? The causes are COPD with chronic core pulmonary, ASD, tricuspid regurgitation or stenosis, pulmonary hypertension due to any cause. Transient P pulmonally occurs in acute pulmonary embolism and acute severe asthma. Now combined left and right atrial hypertrophy, that is biatrial hypertrophy. ECG criteria: wide and notched P wave in all limb leads and also in B4 to B6. Tall P in all limb leads, also in V2 and V3. What are the causes of biatrial enlargement? As follows: mitral stenosis with pulmonary hypertension, ASD, Lutembacher syndrome. What is Lutembacher syndrome? ASD with acquired mitral stenosis. What is Lutembacher syndrome? Here ASD with acquired mitral stenosis. Mitral stenosis with tricuspid regurgitation or tricuspid stenosis. This ECG shows biatrial hypertrophy. Here we are seeing in lead 2 there is tall P wave. Again we are seeing in V2 and V3 there is a wide notched P wave. Thank you friends.